Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Focus Studio. First of all, thank you very much for joining us today. I am very excited because I can talk about singing. What else? Of course. First of all, if you don't know me, let me give you some information about me. Like I said, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky. I'm a vocal coach, a teacher, a singer, and musician, and I've been coaching for over 17 years. I am the founder and head teacher of Phoenix Focus Studio. Phoenix Focus Studio is an international vocal school, which means I have students from all around the world thanks to the magic of internet. I like to say people who I work with that I am not a natural born singer. What does it mean? There are people who are born with more talent to sing and there are people who are born with less talent. That happens. But it doesn't mean that they don't need to do anything in order to become successful. Just because you have a talent, it doesn't mean that everything's gonna come to you naturally. You have to do something with it. You got that gift, but what are you gonna do with it? Like I said, I've been coaching for over 17 years. I met many kind of people, and I have to tell you that those people who had less talent, but they had more willpower and persistence, they got more successful much faster than the people who had more talent, but they were lazy. It's not only the talent, it's about what you're going to do with that talent. And you need passion to actually wake up and practice. You need to practice, you need persistence, because there are gonna be days that you just don't want to do it because I don't know, have a bad day. So you have to actually have willpower. You have to have persistence. You need motivation. You need a reason why you sing, why you want to become successful. Obviously, being successful is different for everyone. When it comes to learning or studying, most people think that it's just a necessary bad thing, that we have to study, we have to learn. And they cannot even imagine that studying and learning can be fun. And this is one of my way actually to teach, is make sure that the actual student, the person who I work with, is having fun. Because just imagine, obviously we have to learn the things, but it's very, very different when you leave the lesson with like, oh my god, that was so much fun, I want to come back next week. Instead of like, I have to come back next week. It's different, right? And if you think that this is not possible, then look at this. Sorry, I just think my cat made a shit. Okay. Okay.
And I learnt this week that frogs can scream. It is. It's like. It's me up. And then it's a bit shocking.
I hate when someone says like, "What you?" Just shut up. Because it is smaller.
Hát annyira szexi vagyok, mint egy bontott tégla.
Hey!
Idiot!
Idiot! It's aggression therapy.
Absolutely. Even Tyler. Okay.
This is Sophia.
She farts like. So I burp and she farts. Like good family.
Kinyitni a számat.
Bármi hihetetlen, tudom, de
És közben.
többenetek, de több hang jön ki, ha te kinyitod a szádat, elképesztő.
Elképesztő.
Mutatom, kollega.
I hope to have good news for you next week.
I have faith in you. Yes. Well, you can see that this is actually fun. Apart from learning why they came for, they are having fun. And when you are having fun, have you noticed that you actually learn much faster? If you have to learn something like this, obviously the whole process is much slower. So you need to actually enjoy. That's why they say that you need to enjoy the journey itself. It's not just a bullshit cliche, whatever. It's actually true. If you enjoy what you learn, the process is much faster. So Obviously, making fun or having fun in the lesson is not something that I have to do. It's something that is just coming from naturally, because I'm a fun person and I like laughing, I like smiling, I like making fun. So I am like this. And you can see on my students that they like it too. So that's one of the aim actually for me, that at the end of the lesson, make sure that they leave the lesson with a good feeling. The other thing that I really like is simplicity. I like to explain things in a simple way. First of all, because I believe that everything is simple. Life is simple, we just make it complicated. That's all. Yes, that's humankind. Yes, so anyway, but singing is not rocket science. Singing is a way of expressing who you are. Always tell, it's expression. You can use singing for expressing yourself, expressing emotions that suppressed in yourself years ago. That's why, it's called music therapy, because music actually helps you to remember of certain things that actually restored in your body. Has it ever happened to you that you heard a song and you started to feel maybe good, or you started to feel in love, or you started to feel bad because, oh God, that song just reminds me of something that I don't want to remember? This is already a therapy. Let's call that. So don't worry. If you're scared of the word therapy, it's not like that. It's something that just helps you to heal. Let's call it this way. Maybe it's better, or it's more positive. It's actually healing you. Because when you listen that song that makes you feel bad, that can help you to actually cleansing your whole body and release that emotion. And even if it's painful, try to do that. Listen it and again, and let that bad feeling, let that pain just come out, and you will realize that you will feel good after a while. So it's quite amazing actually what music can do for you, or singing can do for you. Singing is actually a great expression or great way to release stress, release steam, release all the aggression or the frustration that, for example, you have in your everyday life. I really like to think that when somebody comes to me for a lesson, I really like or want them, when they step in to my door, leave all the shit out. And for that 1 hour, just feel good and have fun. Because that will help you to actually go back to your life and find a better way, a better solution, or being more positive, how to handle if there any shit going on in your life. But that hour when you are here with me, that helps you to release all that shit. I am a very, very passionate about teaching. I actually started to teach even before I graduated in music college. To me, teaching is definitely something that fulfills me every single day. And since I've been doing for 17 years, many people ask me that how come that you're not bored of doing the same things over and over again? Well, that's the thing, that's wrong, that's not true. I don't do the same thing over and over again, because every person is different. Every exercise is different with everyone. And I'm always focusing on the actual person, not on the exercise, on the person. And it brings up different emotions, different experience. With my students, I learn as well. It's not just you guys who learn. I learn too. I grow too, not just you. And I also mentioned on the Facebook event that I can show you and explain how the life of my students shifts along with the vocal training. How is that possible? Because like I said, as you grow, as your technique grows, your personality grows as well. Change, it all comes together, it's all connected. You cannot just focus on the technique. This is a whole package. My approach for teaching is quite holistic. So I'm not just looking at the technique, I'm looking at the whole picture. Because if there is a blockage somewhere inside of you, could be mentally, emotionally, your technique won't be able to grow because there is a blockage inside somewhere. So we need to understand what is the blockage, what causes the blockage. And we need to bring that up to the surface and then release it. And you will see that once you release it, that blockage, your technique will improve immediately as well. It's all connected and it's beautiful. So, also the title of this event is Learn to Sing Step by Step with or without coach. How is that possible? Yes, well, so this video is actually for those people who are ready to work with a coach, and for those who feel like they need some time actually. They need some time and they want to work on their own before they go to a coach. Why I say this? Because at some point, if you reach a certain level and if you want to move forward, it's impossible for you to do it without a coach. And I will tell you why. So basically, first of all, let's take the people who actually are ready to work with a coach. I have many services. One of them is the one-to-one coaching sessions. So if you are ready to work with me, then you can actually find the link below the video or above, depending where we are. And you will see the package deals, the courses I offer. So that's for those people who want to work with a coach. For those people who want to work alone before they go to a coach, they have the membership site. I created this membership site specifically for those people who, for some reason, they cannot take one-to-one lesson. That could be any reason. It could be financial, or they're just not ready yet, or anything. Why is this membership program is the best singing program you can choose? Because I included all the exercises what I use with my students on my lessons. All the exercises are in this program from the beginning till the intermediate level. So if you do this program like constantly, every day, practicing, using the instructions, using the videos, using the exercises, you can learn all the basics from the beginning till an intermediate level. And not just the exercises are there, but all the instructions for the exercises. So if you forget for some reason, if you're stuck, you go back and read again, listen again, watch again. You will find videos and you will find audios as well. You will find, you can ask questions as well. So you can use my service as well. If you're stuck, you can send me a message and I will help you to actually move forward with that. So it's almost like working with me. You will find other people there, so it's going to be actually a group of people who wants to grow, who are like-minded. You're not going to be alone. You're going to have a lot of help apart from me, from other people too. If you choose to sign up for this program, you will get the access. You will have the access until the rest of your life. I constantly actually upload videos, new explanations, new instructions about new techniques and different singers' techniques. I teach also songs in this membership site. So basically you have everything. You can request as well, for example, a technical explanation. You can request a song explanation. You can ask a singer, you can request a singer's explanation, and I will do that for you. So basically, let's talk about the price. On the 1st and on the 2nd of August, my package deals for the one-to-one vocal coaching sessions has a discount. This is not a psychological, commercial bullshit that only today. No, it's today and for tomorrow. Yes, there is going to be a summer discount on these package deals for the one-on-one vocal coaching sessions. From the 3rd of August, it's going to go back to the original price. The membership site has only one fee and it's not gonna change, not today, not next week, not next month. It's £45 per month. I know, come on, £45 a month is nothing. So compared to what you get, you literally get a lifetime access for exercises, for coaching services, for instructions, explanations, everything I said earlier. This is the best singing program for singers, step-by-step guide from the beginner till the intermediate. So again, if you feel like actually you are ready to work with me, then please click on the link below. You can book straight away a coaching session with me, or you can go to the membership site, sign up and start your training even today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate. I wish you a wonderful day and see you soon. Mwah!